This tutorial, we're going to show you and guide you on how to play old school RuneScape completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Step number 1, go to your search engine or browser, type in RuneScape play. In this case, if you want to play RuneScape, go to the main website, runescape.com. And as you can see, there's a couple different things we can do. We can go try for free, click download. In this case, I already have the Jagex launcher installed because this is what you're going to download for Windows, Mac, Steam, iOS, or even Android device. Open up the Jagex launcher by searching it on your computer. In this case, once it's opened up and loaded, you want to make sure that you are logged in. If not, create an account. And then go to the top left hand screen, RuneScape you can play, but in this case, we want to play old school RuneScape, which is right next to RuneScape, old school RuneScape. So in this case, you have two options. If you click the drop down arrow, you can install the official client or you can install RuneLite. It's up to you. In this case, we're going to choose the official client and click install. Now it's going to tell you where RuneScape old school or the official client, where it's going to install, the disk needed, and the disk available on your computer, and click download and install. Click yes. And as you can see on the top right hand screen, old school RuneScape is officially installing. And once old school RuneScape has been installed, click play. This will open up the official client or the launcher of old school RuneScape. And now you can officially play old school RuneScape.